Hello, my name is Jacob Beloy and I've been developing an electric hub motor for a skateboard for the last 2.5 years. I've been through about 12 renditions of this design and I've now just finished my beta 4 of basically pre-production motors. I have made lots of improvements as I've started this project, going from different size motors to different windings, different urethanes, different designs of threading phase wires out, different bearings, magnets and everything. Now what it all boils down to is a motor that's going to run efficiently, nice, and basically that consumers can buy and obviously feel comfortable that they're not going to overheat or be damaged in any way or put them in safety at harm's way. There's a few others that are doing hub motors on the market. There's Inboard with their monolith. There's that's the Manta Ray. Then they've got the Carbon version 2s that are out at the moment. There's a member of the Endless forums called Hamina who's also doing these hub motors, and they look pretty good for not a commercial product and a basically community product. Everyone's getting together trying to do a big production run to get these motors out, and basically if anyone wants to support him, I'd definitely recommend doing that because he's come a long way as well. And then there's a few others as well, like mellow boards, but I'm here today to show my boards, my hub motors. This last one I've basically gone through and made my own urethane wheels. Previously I was machining them, and then I did actually have them molded in China, but the urethane quality was really bad. So I've gone to a company in Australia and everything's the urethane and the molds, and they were actually molded all here in Australia, which I quite like because I'm a born Aussie. But the wheels are really good. The rebound in them, these are about 85A. I'm hoping to get lower, but the shape and the mold in there is really good. Now I still have some glitches in the mold that I need to get fixed, but hopefully I can do that over the next couple of months. This is the mold that I use, and I have made a video actually about this mold. Basically it's got the shape of the motor there, the urethane pours inside, these ridges that stop the urethane from slipping, but then you blow air into it, it comes out. Quite simple actually. This is the enertion carbon fibre deck that everything's on, and then I've got some orangutan keel 80mm wheels on the front. These are 80A, some of the best urethane that I've ever ridden. And then I've got these which are 85, they're about 83 to 85 mil for the wheels. So there's a little bit difference here, but I don't really feel it when I'm riding. The motor differences that I've made this time is the stator. Now I've made improvements on the stator that I'm not at this point disclosing, but I really think that they've increased the torque substantially, making it feel a lot more powerful off of the mark. I've had Jason from Enertion Boards ride it so far, and he, first thing he did was comment on the torque. You can hear it when the motor's taking off. Now I really hope that the people that have supported me and brought some beta motors really enjoy them as well. Basically at the moment I'm going to do a little spin up of the motors. They're really powerful. I did a bench test and I tried to actually stop these motors with a screwdriver, and I held it on there and it shredded this screwdriver, and it was only pulling about 3 amps, which I thought was pretty good. But as you can see, they start up really smoothly. This is running on the vesc, It's on BLDC, not on FOC, but still the sound is quite nice. I like it a lot better than the FOC, but maybe when FOC gets a bit progressive, then I'll start using that. I've got my GoPros set up, one on here and one on there, so we can see the motor spinning as I'm riding. So hopefully you guys get everything out of the video that you want, and thank you very much for watching. This hill here is a 28-degree slope. It's the steepest hill that I have in my area, and where I learned how to hill start. My mother said, you're not driving a manual until you go up this hill. So I'm going to try it on the hub motors. This test is not to prove that it can do it. This test is to prove that it has power. I fully expect that these things right here will fail on me, or the 40 amp phase limit cuts out, or the 25 amp, or the 50 amp, sorry, BMS will kick in. As you can see, this is a busy road that I live on. This is a very busy road that I live on. Cars coming all the freaking time. But it's a nice, not massively rough ground. There's nice slopes coming up and down, which is fun for longboarding. And then I have that nice little hill that I went up in a few of my videos, which is fun to longboard down, no motors obviously, to the bus stop.
you.